So here's the modified bracket after cut and welded, and let's slap some blue on it, and we'll see what we got. Blue or black. Let's see. Not too bad, not too bad. If you get like a little run like I got right there, just kind of try to blend it. Sometimes it'll lay down, sometimes it won't. But not too bad, man. We'll let that set for about 20 minutes, and then we'll stick it where it goes. So I forgot to spray the back. Whatever, man. So we're gonna 1 hour later. That's dry enough. It'll be alright. Think it's gonna work? Think it's gonna work. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's get from the front. Not bad at all.